issued a flash flood warning for Ellis County in north central Texas until 1 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 10 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. This rainfall will lead to excessive water runoff and cause flash flooding. Low-lying areas are most vulnerable to rapidly rising water. Some low-water crossings may flood and become impassable. Some locations that will experience flooding include Grand Prairie, Mansfield, Cedar Hill, Lancaster, Waxahachie, Ennis, Midlothian, Glen Heights, Red Oak, Ovilla, Venus, Ferris, Palmer, Italy, Oakleaf, Maypeel, Bardwell, Alma, Garrett, and Milford. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.